Hello everyone, this is Aaron Palma from Young Sporting. I'm here to explain the my chosen five section in Article 13 in the Philippines. My first choice is number 2, which is the section 2 labor. Rights of workers, employees should receive fair wage, safe working conditions, and job security. Government responsibility. The government must protect workers from unfair treatment, discrimination, and illegal dismissal. Labor unions and strikes. Workers have the right to form unions and go on strike if necessary to demand better conditions. Example, the minimum wage law ensures fa- fair pay, and DOLE or Department of Labor and Employment programs help safeguard workers' rights. Section 3. This is my second chosen section. Agrarian reform and natural resources. Land reform. Farmers should have ownership of their land they work on. Land distribution. The government distributes unused lands to landless farmers. Management. Natural resources should benefit all Filipinos, not just private companies. Example, Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program or CARP grants land to poor farmers. And the Section 5 is health. Alam naman natin na importante ang kalusugan sa ating mga Pilipino. Right to health care. Every Filipino should have access to quality and affordable medical services. Government responsibility. The government must build hospitals, improve healthcare service, and provide free medical assistance. Example, PhilHealth. Help Filipinos receive free and or discounted healthcare services. And the section 6 is women rights. Equality. Women from abuse. Women should have the same opportunities as men in education, employment, and leadership. Protection. The government must safeguard women from abuse, harassment, and discrimination. Example, RA 9262, Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act, protects women from domestic violence and abuse. Section 10, Education.